I mean, dagiti yung masustansya nga or mabalin nga kanin di summer kasi cause of poisoning by food poisoning by dog no summer, di ba?
Oh.
And anya dagiti sintomas kas pagalitan di food poisoning.
Yeah. So, one problem kasi with regards to digijay is alisto nga mabangles or maperdi. Digijay makan. So, if na heat exposed na for a prolonged time, they usually are destroyed faster than the usual time. So, kaya't ko ibagano kwa, you need hydration during summer. Try to see the heat index. If ibagada kanya yon nga it's very hot outside like 37, 38 or especially 40 and above nga heat index, try to avoid being outside already between 10 to 3 o'clock. No, maiwasan nga, han mo maiwasan nga rumwar ka dizay, mabalin kamit ag sombrero, umbrella, or agusar digizay handheld nga fans. Digizay. Tapos with regards to naman to food, ma'am, it would be better if you know no kasano na i-prepare digizay makan, and then you know the source. Tapos digizay danom as much as possible, haan ko mga deep well pagapuanan na, you should try drink it's either purified, distilled, mineral water, or if the source mo, may mayat nga maipaborek before mo nga inumin no kakasjay. And then with regards to food, digizay high in hydration, digizay syempre, digizay fruits, watermelon, digizay aduti, danom na nga mai-provide aside from digizay other food. Tapos, with regards to hydration as well, syempre, you need to increase your water intake, especially kapag summer or napudot unay. And then, digizay electrolyte drinks nga, if you're dehydrated already, usually titited ni mga oral rehydration salt solutions.
With regards to DJ tanong do, kaya ko lang palagi-pam no kasano DJ maximum intake for everyday DJ water.
Oh, we usually compute it depende ka DJ kilo, DJ tattao. Pero for everybody's knowledge, at least 8 glasses to 10 glasses of water per day. But if you are sweating more, so you need to increase more. So most of the time, kashay ti ibagbagamin ako.
Okay, so for general advice daw, anong tipo ko namin dito publiko with regards to summer season?
Summer season. Enjoy the summer, but then protect yourself also against the sun. Tapos, choose yung time no kaano kayo nga ma-expose iti init.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Monique Navarrete, Secretary of Ilocos On Point Multi-Specialty Clinic. Come, let's go.